Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Bailancho Saad strongly condemns the hounding of a complainant of sexual harassment from Kothambhi village by state authorities for the last 2 years under disaster management. There was a complete breakdown of law and order in 2019 when the girl complained of sexual harassment. A mob came and broke their house, and the girl was not in the house, and when she was coming back, she was beaten murderously, left unconscious on the road, and an ambulance 108 picked her up and took her to GMC. Now, instead of allowing the family, assisting the family to repair the damaged house and stay in the house, the Talati wrote to a Mamlatdar saying the house is dilapidated. The Mamlatdar issued an eviction notice to the Chougule housing colony in which they were staying, and they were forcefully evicted. A posse of police were brought. They were threatened, beaten and arrested and put in jail. Now when they were out on bail, they were put in Valshi government primary school. From 4th August till today, they are housed in that old age home. This Disaster Management Act can be used against any citizen. If somebody has some anger against someone, a mob can be instigated to break the house. Then that person's house, then the Talati or Mamlatdar or whichever authority will say that you are the house is dilapidated, so you have to be evicted. Then they will say that we will rehabilitate you under Disaster Management Act, and then they will confine you in institution.